while I moved the fence, I pulled it in. I got it so both doors. Then all I did was just screw in a little hook there that I could take this and just step on through it. Where's my girls at? They're not in there. And then all you do is take and whack it on there. That way they have both doors to come in and out. And we're going to air this coop out a little bit in here. What are you girls all doing out there? Why ain't you outside? I got one chicken outside by herself. Be ashamed of yourself. Let her out there by herself. What are you doing? Come here. Come on. Let me show you something. Come on. Come on. Look. I know. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. I got one that'll follow me. And one that likes the kennel. The door's that way. Y'all can't get out here from there. No, you can't. No, you can't. You have to go around. You got 2 doors to come out of. Give me a break. What are you doing in there by yourself, huh? Come out this way. The door's right there. Hey. There you go. Come here. Come back here. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Come on. Let's see if we can get any of the other girls out of here. Feels a little better in here since I've left the windows open. The fan on. Hey. I know it's hot, huh? I know. Why don't you come outside? They like laying in that kennel except for when the sun comes out. Come here. Come on. Come on, I'll get a couple of you out here. Come on. Let's go. Come here. Look, here. Come here. Come here. Well, quit staring. Now, come on. Come here. Come on. Got a piece of grass stuck in your mouth. There you go. There you go. Give me that. I don't know what that is, but that's not something that you need to be eating. Yeah, eat some of that grass. No, I don't have the fence on. They haven't even tried to get out. Now, I have been turning it on at night. Not that anything's ever come in this yard because of the dogs. Sometimes I forget to turn it on, but I mean, as they get older. But as soon as they get older, start laying their eggs and stuff like that, then I'll probably take the fencing down. Girls. Hey. What's everybody doing in here? Is it cooler in here? Huh? Come look. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come on. Well, now they got 2 doors to come out of, and they have more of a shady space on this side. For the evenings, in the mornings, this tree here will put some shade over here, and they'll have to come to this end of the yard. But this gives them a little bit more shade area when there's no shade underneath that tree there. So, what are you getting into now? Come on. Come on out here. Come on. Can't get in there. I got that hardwire cloth all the way around. I didn't make it all the way around. There's a small section on the other side I have to get yet, but it's so hot. You'll come out? Come on. Come on. That's shavings. Why are you even digging in through there? Oh, you found a bug. Did you find a bug? Huh? Come on. Well, I guess you girls can enjoy the little bit of breeze that's out here. So they've got all this area. So in the evening when the sun goes down the other side, there's not that much shade on this side of the tree. It's mostly on that side of the tree over there, but then there's a lot of shade on this end. So they didn't have this shade before, so now they do. It gives you more shade to come out earlier. They usually stay inside the run almost all day. They'll come out early in the morning when there's, before the sun comes up. And then most of the day, rest of the day, they're in the run, in the shade, and then they come out in the evening again. Till you get older, huh? And you figure it out. And I get rid of this fence where I still have to finish closing off my garden, though. Okay, you coming out? Come on. You're coming out. Quit standing there. Come on. Okay, I'm going to leave them out here. They got 2 doors to get used to coming in and out, so just have to watch them at night. And like I said, they've been all by themselves. They pile up in there. They have their own little spots inside there that they like laying. There's 2 of them that sits on this perch here in the corner. One, they actually gets up on that pallet perch up there, and then the rest of them get on the regular perches. But they all have they go to the same place every night. Y'all having your dinner? Y'all having your dinner? Your salad is outside. You have to go outside for your salad. Yes, you do. You got to go outside for your salad. And they've been molting like, phew. I mean, underneath here, I got a ton of feathers underneath these. The other day, yeah, what? You coming out here? How you gonna stay in with the rest of them? It's a little cooler in there, ain't it? Well, and I leave this stuff here because there's 2 girls that will perch up here at night, and they get on these to get up there. That's why I'm not worried about them. They can't get over that fence. Not old enough yet. Are you? Not old enough yet. I'm only 4 months. Well, next month, so I figure around, between 5 and 7 months. Next month they might start laying an egg. I don't know. I haven't seen any signs of them getting ready to lay eggs, so I'm trying to pay close attention so I can get their boxes ready. I don't want to get them ready too early, just for the fact that I don't want them thinking they can go in there and sleep in them. So I got to keep a close eye on them. And then we got to start training for laying the eggs in in the boxes. Huh. Yeah. I'm going to leave you girls go. Let them have fun. No, don't follow me. I'm not going. Okay, come on. Come on. I'm going out here by the chair. You going to come with me? Come here. Look. You come out here with me? No. A couple of them that'll follow me around the yard, but all right, I'm gonna leave you guys in here. I'll check on you later on and learn where both doors are. Okay?